My introduction, apart from being Ahmadi, I was that person who took Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto to the gallows. I tied his hands, tied his legs, and he was hanged. I am the only Ahmadi in the whole of the world witness of that hanging.
What's your name?
I witnessed myself. Mujid, Qreishi, I am.
MashaAllah. What's your position? Your career, your position, what was that?
I was assistant superintendent at that time at Adyala Pindi.
I see.
And I was in charge of the cell there. Throughout his career, he remained in the jail for 323 days, and I remained there.
MashaAllah.
And I had so many meetings with Bhutto. He was very much impressed with my behavior, and he would only, if anything problem there was there, he was only who could, I could satisfy him. And he would trust upon me.
So, did you tell him that you are Ahmadi?
Yes, he knew me.
He surprised?
Because before he was selected as Prime Minister, I took part in his campaign for Prime Ministership and polls, etc.
MashaAllah.
He knew me very well.
MashaAllah. So, did he feel sorry about what the decisions he made?
Yes.
What, did he say that?
He never confessed. He never confessed that he had, is involved in murder, but it was proved that he was involved.
Yes.
There is my interview on the TV, and they asked me, when he was not involved, why he was hanged. Then I said, it was the God who was angry with him, and he didn't want his more life.
Allah. Fantastic. God please you.
So who put the rope around his neck?
Yes.
You?
I was there.
But who put the rope?
He was, his name was Tara Masih. He was a Christian.
Christian? Who put
But I took him to the, that ladder.
Okay.
I
Tied him?
tied his legs, tied his hands, and stretched him from here.
Which is
the
more
last
strong. Stronger than to hang him. To tie him when he is alive, it is more strong.
Yes.
It took about 2 hours to tell him that this night is the last night of his life, and he's going to kill.
He was crying, he was afraid.
No, yes. When I told him that this is the last night of his life, then he started telling. And after about 1.5 an hour, then he could say, tell anything about his hanging here.
What he asked before is that he asked.
Did he wish anything, you mean?
Oh, no, never.
No, he didn't.
You asked him, do you want any last wish? You asked him?
I asked him.
You said
Anything
nothing?
he wants to say to Benazir Bhutto or his Begum Benazir Bhutto.
his
He
daughter.
said, no, I have told everything to them, and it will be written in books.
MashaAllah. Thank you. Ahlan wa sahlan. Nice to meet you.